with this video camera I didn't explain, but my horse is named Comino, like the spice. And so I say, you know, good boy, Comino. And he listens. Look at those ears. He's listening to me saying, good boy, Comino. Good boy, Comino. So Comino was given his name from like the spice when you're cooking, because his fur, or however you say that, it looks like looks like spice. And here comes Renee with her horse. She's coming to my rescue. Renee's coming to the rescue. Yeah, now we're getting to the falls. Okay, so this tour is the 2 hours of horseback riding, but it also involves seven different waterfalls. And maybe you'll see on this camera that the beauty of each and every one of those waterfalls, but we're going to be doing some jumping as well. Waterfalls canopy. Oh my god, this is awesome. Oh Dios mío. Oh, that's going to top it off. This is the one of the most beautiful places in the world for its natural resources. And by the way, Costa Rica became a very wealthy country in the mid-1900s via the exportation of coffee and bananas. So the soil is extremely rich. So if you can't grow it in Costa Rica, you can't grow it anywhere. Right, Comino? His ears perk up, right? Yeah, he's saying right. He said, "Tu gusta?"